Winter Wonderland in New Jersey, Jersey City. Hi everyone, it's Miss Michi. Long time no speak. Hoping everybody's doing well. Just doing a little video of our major first snowstorm. It was supposed to be worse, but this is probably like the third day. There you go. So I don't like it. The first day it looks so pretty, and then this is what happens. Yeah. Between smoke is because I'm smoking a cigarette, and my hands are freezing. So yeah, this is it, guys. Like I said, I hope everyone's doing well, and I will make update videos to let you know what's going on. Take care, and let's